Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw SpongeBob as Naruto, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's come in towards the middle for the nose, and we're going to curve this around and then back in. For the cheeks now, we're going to step over, curving this around and down. Now on the top, let's draw in a circle right in the middle of the cheek. Let's come down on a diagonal again, replicating that. And then let's move up again one more time. Now let's come down drawing in the eyes. So we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. And then as we come up from the inside, stepping over, we're going to curve this line all the way around and down. Now in the middle, let's draw in a nice big circle. Again, right in the center, let's draw in another circle. And then on the top left-hand side, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. And now let's just color this in black. Now for the eyelashes, right in the middle, we're going to bring this line up, arching that down and back through. Let's come across on a diagonal from this, replicating that. And then moving over on the inside one more time. Now let's color this in black. Let's move down for the mouth. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line. We're going to draw in a corner bracket on both sides. Now from the middle, stepping over on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming down. We're going to bring this line out for the bottom of the teeth. And then again on the side, we're going to bring this back up. Now from here on the left, we're going to curve this line up, down and around. And now let's draw the bandana on the top. So stepping over on the left, we're going to curve this line all the way across and out on the right. We're going to tuck this line in on the side. And then again, we're going to arch this line up, bringing this over, flattening that out as we come in towards the middle. Now right in the center for the badge, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes down on the left and right hand side. And then we're going to, on the bottom, bring this line across. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the top. On the left hand side, let's draw in 3 circles coming down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the middle of this, we're going to draw in a diagonal line on the top right. And then from that point, we're just going to spiral this all the way around, tucking that in. And then to the left of this, we're just going to draw in a small triangle. Let's give SpongeBob some hair on the top now. So we're going to curve this line out and back in. Again, coming up, we're going to curve this up and then back down. Let's move through towards the top again on a diagonal. Again, moving over. Now let's move in towards the middle, bringing this up, back down, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Let's draw in SpongeBob's body now. So we're going to curve this in. Again, moving down, replicating that. Let's move down again. And now let's round out the bottom. So we're going to curve this around, up and in. Again, let's curve this across. And then one more time, curving this over and through towards the middle. Now to the left of this, we're going to curve this line out, stepping down, curving that in. And now on the top, we're going to arch this down. Let's move through. So we're going to curve this line out. Let's move up again, bringing that over. And then we're going to curve this line back down on the bottom. Now on the top left-hand side, let's draw in a nice big circle. Let's move down again, making this even smaller. We'll move down on the left-hand side, replicating that. And then we'll come in on a diagonal, making this even smaller. Now let's move over again, drawing in another circle. And then coming in on a diagonal, making this one smaller. And then on the top right-hand side here, let's draw in another circle. Let's close off the shorts now. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming down on the left and right-hand side. And then we're going to flatten this out directly on the bottom. Now from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw in 2 triangles on the left and right-hand side for the collar. And now let's draw in the tie. So we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming in towards the middle. We're going to flatten that out with a straight line. Now from each point, we're going to bring this diagonal line across. And then from here, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line, joining that in the center. Let's move up. We're going to flatten this out, bringing this straight line across, extending this underneath. Now beside this, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines, drawing those at the same size. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line on the side. Let's move across again. We're going to draw in another straight line coming over. Let's move up, replicating that. And then again, we're going to flatten this out with another straight line. Now for the shoulders, we're going to curve this line out. And then we're going to curve this in towards the side. Now for the arms, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out. For the thumb, we're going to bring this down and back in. Now for the first finger, curving this back around and up. And then one more time, just scooping this back through and in towards the hand, closing that off. Now let's draw in the shorts. So come down from the center, drawing in a straight line on both sides. We'll do the same as we leave a gap, drawing that at the same height. We're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in 2 more straight lines coming down. And let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Closing off the sock, we're going to close this off again with another curved line. Moving down in towards the middle, let's do that 2 more times. Now let's draw in the shoe. So as we come through on the back, we're going to curve this out and down. We're going to arch this down towards the bottom. Let's step over, curving this around and down. And then we're just going to curve this back in on the bottom. Let's step up again, bringing this up and through on the side. And then for the sole of the shoe, arching this across. And that is it. That's how you draw SpongeBob as Naruto. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.